When we're adding pages in our WordPress, if we do not mark them as parent or child pages, oftentimes we can end up with a menu structure that looks a little funky, as this does here. Additionally, it might be out of order because WordPress will add the pages to your menu in the order that you're adding them. So they might look a little strange and not be in the order that you want them to be. As you can see here, we have 2 rows, and there's not a whole lot of sense being made here, so to speak. So what I'm going to do is show you how to create a custom menu and organize your menu structure. And I will also show you, before we get into that, how to set up your pages as parents and childs, so that you know in the future to do that when you're adding pages. So we'll go into the WordPress dashboard, and here you can see all of the pages that I have. And we'll take a look at About WordPress, for instance. Right now you can see I have a WordPress page, an About WordPress page, Getting Started, a few other ones. These 3 need to go together. So I'm going to take a look at About WordPress. And if you were adding a new page and you knew that you wanted this to go under one of your other pages as a drop-down menu, what you would want to do is look over here in this Page Attributes box. And in the drop-down menu under Parent, you would select WordPress because this is the page I want it to go under, and then you would click Update. Now in my case, I'm going to show you how to create custom menus, so I'm not really going to worry about that at this point. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to Appearance and then Menus. And once this loads, you'll see that WordPress has already added everything over here for me, so it's helped me out there. So all of the pages I've created are visible here. It is duplicating the home page, so I'm going to remove that. Okay, and now what we want to do is get these in a fashion that is just logical, that makes sense, that makes it easier for our website visitors to navigate throughout the site without being confused. So first off, what I want to do is I want to move Blogger up underneath Home, and think of this as your left to right. So up here, this is what's going to be all the way on the left, and this is going to be all the way on the right. Okay, so if I want Blogger to be next to Home on my website, I need to move this up. So I'm just going to hold my mouse down, and drag it up. And you can see the outline, so I know where this is going to go. It's going to go right under Home, and that's where I want it, so that's good. Now, next I need About Blogger to be a drop-down menu underneath Blogger. So to do that, I'm going to drag this one up, and I'm going to make sure that it's indented. And that means that this is a sub-item or sub-page or drop-down menu. And now I'm going to do the rest with everything else that I have here. So WordPress, that's fine by itself. About WordPress is fine. Getting Started, I want that to be underneath here. This sample page I don't want, so I'm clicking the drop-down and I'm removing it. And we'll leave these. These are fine for now. So I'm going to click Create Menu. I'm leaving the name it's assigned. That's fine with me. And now I want to tell it this is my primary menu in my theme location. So I'm going to click Save Menu again after checking that. And now if we take a look at the site and we refresh it, you can see now I've got About Blogger underneath there. The WordPress pages are underneath WordPress. These are standalone, so those are fine. Now another little trick is if maybe you don't want Blogger to be a page so much as just a menu item. Right now if we click on it, it's going to bring us to this Blogger page. Maybe we don't want that, and the same with WordPress. So I'm going to show you that. And to do this, basically what we need to do is add a link. And we're going to trick WordPress into thinking that this is an actual menu item, that it's really going somewhere, but it's not. So for Blogger, we'll just type in, make sure you do this number sign here, the name of the menu item, add to menu. So now I'm going to replace this with the new one. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to pull this up now. And let's save that. And you'll do this for all of them. I'm just showing you one for now. And once we've saved it, we actually need to remove this part. We just can't add it without that there. And we'll save it. And we refresh this. And now it's not clickable.